Welcome back. Today we're calculating this viral order of operations problem, 27 divided by 1/3 times 3. Many people get tricked by the fraction and multiply first, but let's break it down step by step, using standard mathematical rules. In this expression, we have division and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication does not outrank division. They share equal priority. We must evaluate them strictly from left to right, which means our very first step is to divide 27 by 1/3. To divide by a fraction, we keep the first number, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the fraction to its reciprocal. Dividing by 1/3 becomes multiplying by 3 over 1, which is just 3. Step 1. Multiply 27 by 3. 27 times 3 equals 81. Substituting 81 back into our expression leaves us with 81 times 3. Step 2. Now perform the final multiplication. 81 times 3 equals 243. So our true final answer is 243.